it's so funny because every single time the only way he wins is with an AR in a box fight. Yeah, on Zone Wars you only use pumps, on box fights you use AR. Isn't it supposed to be the other way around?
Oh, stop for me. Okay.
The tale of Jiraiya the Gallant.
What the fuck? Isso é assim. Ready? Another one, mate. Running. Ayo. Let's go! Let's get up!
Yeah. Feeling my vibe, take that. Yeah, work hard every day on making nobody stop me. Fuck on my enemies. You know we complete, we get in the breach. No, you cannot be a friend of me. Ball hard like I'm Lonzo. See no money on my eyes closed. She calling out, she wanna FaceTime. Scream my name, she like pasta. Work hard every day on making nobody stop me. Fuck on my enemies. You know we complete, we get in the breach. No, you cannot be a friend of me. Ball hard like I'm Lonzo. See no money on my eyes closed. She calling out, she wanna FaceTime. Scream my name, she like pasta. Work hard every day on making nobody stop me. Fuck on my enemies. You know we complete, we get in the breach. No, you cannot be a friend of me. Ball hard like I'm Lonzo. See no money on my eyes closed. She calling out, she wanna FaceTime. Scream my name, she like pasta. Yeah. In the store, I found a new sound. All these bitches calling, oh my god, what did I do now? Hit it front and back and she can't take it, only 2 rounds. Shorty for the team, bounced around, we playing pool now. now. Kill it once and I pass on my cuz. You run up on me, you know that I'm bustin'. Paso, that's the name and she love. I just wanna fuck, I cannot be cuffin'. Call her on Joe, we kidding your door and I get on the floor. Now she gotta eat and she gotta go, we screaming like ho ho ho. Off-white on the back of my pants. I just wanna get to these fans. Off the chopping that a nigga gon' dance. Running Ricky, he ran. AP, clapping shit like I'm Pam. Rockin' Gucci, yeah, I said it's my friends. Niggas saying they ain't never your man. Call up second, yeah, the grip never jam. Call up Jenny, yeah, he fuck with the G's. Calm account, money, turning my fiends. Skinny nigga, but my money I keep. Call up Mixie, yeah, he smoking them trees. Called it up, I'ma hit up me tree. Doing this, yeah, that's shorty a trees. One day, I'ma be in the hills. I need all the money, I need it for real.
You cannot catch me. Run this shit like a motherfucking track me. Nigga, why you acting? Come get your bitch back then. I don't know why the hell your ass still is asking. My girl FaceTime me, she be blacking. I need my breach in the motherfucking back end. I need my breach in the motherfucking back end. I need my breach in the motherfucking back end. Cause me and Paso tryna get it all. Shoot so good I could show you the ball. Don't talk crazy, you gon' fall. And I'm always in her mouth like some halls. I am living like a NASCAR, baby girl, I am driven. Now the youth is looking up to how a nigga living. I'm not anybody, baby, I cannot be slipping. I'm not anybody, baby, I cannot be slipping.
We don't make a sound, a private life is the best life. When you a cry, I will hold you down, I'll put you to sleep, have a sweet night. Just like it's Zach and it's Cody, London tip, yeah, we living a sweet life. Street smart, young nigga, would never bring on nice little gunfight. I walk in their spine, they stare, I am not tucking my chain, boy, you a lame. Lace front lights, give me long hair, Cartier frames, revenge in my van. Man, I really want you, you see me on YouTube, you call me through Bluetooth, now you doing voodoo, yeah, yeah. Lil TJ, yeah. I'ma aim for your lip if you mess with me. Life hard, but the Lord with the best for me. Dropped out, I don't like niggas testing me. Gotta drop 5 bands to get next to me. 6 month blue up, it was meant to be. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. I'ma aim for your lip if you mess with me. Life hard, but the Lord with the best for me. Dropped out, I don't like niggas testing me. Gotta drop 5 bands to get next to me. 6 month blue up, it was meant to be. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. I ain't playing no games with a hop, nigga. Before you mention my name, get a chop, nigga. Say you always in the field, but you not, nigga. Say you stacking big bands, but you pop, nigga. Big bro, cut a hit, told him lay low. New wop at the zip if I say so. I ain't even wanna talk about the hop shit. Going back to the kid, not an option. They want switching up on some option. You the first one to squeal, but you pop shit. Click, clack, get sound at the sound. Ready to do shots, that's round at the round. When I keep it round, niggas round at me now. I know big bro proud of me now. Guns through session, I found through the sound. Got a new bag, got clowning around. Free ball, home touchdown, been a while. I know smelly watch down from the clouds. Ain't too many been tired of me now. I ain't gotta work for a salary now. Everybody wanna be slaughtery now. That niggas tryna burn slaughtery down. We don't play games with no ride. Nigga get put somewhere hard to be found. I'ma aim for your lip if you mess with me. Life hard, but the Lord with the best for me. Drop down, I don't like niggas testing me. Gotta drop 5 bands to get next to me. 6 month blue up, it was meant to be. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. I'ma aim for your lip if you mess with me. Life hard, but the Lord with the best for me. Drop down, I don't like niggas testing me. Gotta drop 5 bands to get next to me. 6 month blue up, it was meant to be. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. Slow grind, that don't really make sense to me. No names when the boy tryna question me. OGs in the streets got respect for me. All these little bitches wanna have sex